Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over where you would add your power steering fluid. This one we have our power steering reservoir right here. This is right next to the radiator fluid reservoir or cooling fluid. So we have our power steering fluid cap right here. We're just going to twist that off and we're going to check it, and if you can't, there is indicators on the side of where it should be. You may want to just pull this cover and pop it off to be able to get a better visual. It's still shielded pretty well. Sometimes the plastic can be a bit hard to see or to see through, so you can take a light, and if you illuminate the side of the can, you'll be able to see where the fluid is. This is actually a little full for whatever reason, fuller than it should be, but if you needed to add fluid, you would fill it up to the line. And then when you're done, you would put the cap back on. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.